cookies are see. Hi cookie fans. Wait a minute. It's not filled, so I'm gonna have to turn this. Oh, it is. And who is this one? It's so many French fries. And I put her right here. Let's see who else we got. Oh man. Woo. Woo, and it's yellow. And we got Mackie and macaroon. And this gets to go right next to so many French fries. And what else do we got? And we got and we got the color green. And who's in here? It's Lollipop. And she goes on the bottom with Cupcake Queen. What's her face? Alright. Here's her face. Alright. Very cookie fans. I think it's gonna come out. Is it? Let's get it in. Great. Not the top back. Good. And it's color orange, and we got annoying orange. And this goes right next to the lollipop. And we got I think we got blue. And we didn't. So let's see who's inside this one. Woo! It's Brittany Brownie. And it goes right here. And we got Rita Remote is inside the blue one. And it is. And it gets to go right next to her. And that's it for the video. And we'll finish this in the next Cookie Shall See video. Bye, cookie fans.